Good day, traders. I hope you're all doing fine and I hope you had a nice weekend. So this is my weekly analysis on some pairs. Today I already have some zones mapped out. So in the DXY, let's first go to the daily time frame to see the overall structure of the market. If you look right here, the market is overall ranging. So let's look at the 4-hour and see what's happening in the 4-hour. So in the 4-hour also, market is still ranging. Okay, if you look, you can see market is also ranging. So I drew these levels in the 1-hour. I have a supply zone right here and the demand zone right here. The market, before the market closed, it's pushed up from this demand level to this supply, and you can see how it respected this zone right here. So what I expect is a fake out. After the market may open with a gap, so we never know. So I expect a fake out of this level before you can see push the actual push to the downside of the price, or it may even break through and retest this level and go up. So that's a different scenario. But let's look what if the price bounce back to this demand level. So if the price comes back to this demand zone, so that's the first time it's coming. So take a look also and to this level right here. So price may push deeper to this zone before it goes back and retests this level and goes up. And if it's break here, you can see it's going to retest this line, and I'm going to aim for this level. So this is the XY. Let's go to the EURUSD. In EURUSD, you know DXY and EURUSD have a negative correlation. When DXY is going up, so most probably EURUSD is going to go down, and vice versa. I also mapped out this level in the 1-hour time frame. I could see clear zones in the 1-hour. Let's also look at the daily to see the overall market structure in Euro USD. Yeah, it's also ranging. You can see from here, you can see the structure. It's ranging. Okay, let's look about the 4-hour. What is it telling us also? I can see it has been ranging. You can see, yeah. Let's go to the 1-hour where I drew the zones so that you could understand how I map them out. So I have a nice, I started with this actually because market closed around this level. This is the supply zone right here. You can see, and this is demand zone. First, when market push down to this demand zone right here, it pushed up and then it comes back and retest this level before you can see the actual push to the upside. It grabs some more orders right here and then it moves to the upside. This is a spring. This is a bear trap, and this is an uptrust. It's a bull trap. Retail traders are going to sell this because they see the market is going, it's moving down, and you can see a big push to the downside, not knowing there is a supply zone. It's a supply zone, you can see. Yeah, and then it pushed to the upside. This is the retail resistance line. You can see after a big push to the upside, retail traders are going to think the market is going to go up, and then they place a buy order, put their stop loss right here, some right here, and it will keep hitting their stop losses, not knowing this is a bull trap. They don't know about this supply zone right here. Yeah, so what I expect when the market opens, I expect this price to retest this level. You can even see a fake out before the actual move to the downside, but you can see a fake out right here. So most probably it will retest this level or this zone and then move to the downside. I'll aim for this demand zone because it just touches one time. It's also a valid zone and it doesn't have a lot of traffic. And also here, if it breaks to this level, we never know. So I think it's going to retest and then move to the upside. I'm going to aim for this level right here. Let me draw the retail resistance line, and I'll also make sure if it breaks, I'll consider this liquidity weak. Yeah, so this is my take on EURUSD. Let's look at USD CAD also. So in USD CAD, I drew my zones in the 4-hour time frame, as I could see more clearer levels. First, let's look at the daily time frame also to find the overall trend. Wow, what a coincidence. You can see it also ranging. Yeah. Let's go back to the 4-hour and see. Yeah, so in the 4-hour, I drew this supply zone right here and our demand zone with our retail resistance and support lines. Price from this side, from this level right here, moving to the upside, you can see. So I expect this price to push deeper to this level to create a fake out right here before it comes down. When it comes down, I expect the market to retest this level and grab more orders before I can see another push to the downside. You get it? And if the price break through this level and then it reaches this supply zone that will become demand, I will aim for another level. I'll aim for this level right here. Yeah. So let's see how it's going to play out after the market opens. And I want to also look at US30. On US30, I usually draw the zones in 1-hour time frame because supply and demand, I can see it respect the 1-hour time frames a lot in US30. First, I have the demand zone and the supply zone right here. The price touches this demand zone one time, the first time. After it starts going up, you can see a retest of this retail level right here, and then it goes back up. So I expect after the market opens, I expect the price to maybe to create a fake out right here, and then maybe comes down. If it maybe create a fake out right here, and then comes back, you test, grab more orders before you can see the actual push to the downside. These arrows are a little bit messy. Let me just yeah. So as I was saying, the price may push. You could see a fake out, then price may comes down. You can see the actual push. If not, if the price break through this level, let me extend it a little bit. Nope. Yeah. So if the price break this level and then we could see a retest of the supply zone and then it will move up. I'll also aim for this the supply zone right here. Yeah, so we wait for the market open to see how the price is going to play out. Yeah, you should look at the market in different ways. You just have to look for a confirmation, a confluence. If the market breaks here, comes back and protests, you can shut the market if you like, and if it breaks. So you should just look at the market in different perspective, because you never know how it plays. So always trade what you see. I hope this video is helpful. Have a nice trading week. I wish you success. Thanks for watching.